Right now, someone is making money, not in an office, not in a meeting, but from a laptop, from their room, while you're scrolling. And the scary part is, you don't even know how they're doing it, because nobody teaches this. Nobody explains this. You were told one path: study, get a job, work hard, and maybe, one day, you'll be successful. But something changed, quietly, without permission, without announcement. The internet rewrote the rules, created a new system, a system where location doesn't matter, connections don't matter, even degrees don't matter as much anymore. And yet, most people are still playing the old game, waking up early, going to work, trading time for money, while a completely different economy is growing right in front of them, invisible to most, obvious to a few. This is the gap between people who understand and people who don't. Because the internet is not just entertainment, it's not just social media, it's not just content. It's a machine, a money machine, but only for those who know how to use it. And that's where things get interesting, because this isn't about luck. It's not about talent. It's about awareness, about seeing what others ignore, about understanding what most people never question. Because the truth is simple. The internet didn't just create opportunities. It created a new class of rich people. People who don't follow traditional rules. People who don't depend on jobs. People who build systems that make money for them while they sleep. And once you see that, you can't go back. Because now the question changes. It's no longer, how do I earn money? It becomes, how is money being made without me? And that question is where everything begins. There's an economy you don't see, not on the news, not in schools, but it's everywhere. Behind every video you watch, behind every ad you skip, behind every post you scroll past. Money is moving, constantly, silently, at a massive scale. This is the internet economy, and it's bigger than most countries. Think about it. A single video can generate thousands, sometimes millions, not just from views, but from attention. Because attention is the new currency, and platforms know this. They don't just show content, they monetize behavior. Every click, every second, every scroll is tracked, sold, and turned into money for someone, not always you. That's the difference. Most people use the internet as consumers, scrolling, watching, liking, but a small group uses it as a system. They create content, they build audiences, they sell products, they run ads, they build funnels, and slowly, they turn attention into income, over and over again. That's the game, not working harder, but building smarter. Because online, one idea can scale infinitely. One product can reach the world. One system can run 24/7, without breaks, without limits. That's why people are getting rich online. Not because it's easy, but because it's scalable. And scalability is what creates real wealth. But here's the problem. Most people don't see this. They are stuck in consumption mode, addicted to scrolling, distracted by content, while others are building behind the scenes, quietly, patiently, and making money. That's the hidden divide between users and creators, between consumers and builders. And once you understand this, you stop asking, how do I use the internet? And start asking, how can the internet be used? In the past, becoming rich was difficult. You needed money to make money. You needed connections. You needed access. And most people didn't have any of it. So they stayed where they were, working, saving, repeating. But the internet changed that completely. It removed the gatekeepers. It removed the barriers. It gave everyone the same tool: attention, Because today, if you can capture attention, you can build anything, a business, a brand, an income stream, without permission, without approval, without waiting. That's power, and it's everywhere. One video can reach millions. One idea can change your life. One skill can become a business. That's the advantage. But here's what most people miss. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent, because the internet rewards visibility, and visibility comes from action, from showing up again and again, while others hesitate, while others overthink, while others wait. That's why some people grow fast, not because they are smarter, but because they start, and they keep going. They learn the system, they understand what works, they improve over time, and slowly, they build leverage. That's the real goal. Leverage. Doing something once and getting results again and again. Content does that. Systems do that. The internet does that. And when you combine all three, you create something powerful, something scalable, something that doesn't depend on your time. That's when money starts working for you, not the other way around. And that's why the internet is different. Because for the first time in history, ordinary people have access to extraordinary opportunities. So if the opportunity is real, why doesn't everyone succeed? Why are most people still stuck, while a few are moving ahead? Because the system is not neutral. It's designed carefully to keep you engaged, addicted, distracted. Think about your daily routine. You open your phone just for a minute, and suddenly, an hour is gone. Video after video, scroll after scroll, endless content. Feels harmless, feels normal, but it's not. Because every second you spend consuming is a second you're not creating. And that's where the gap grows. Because while you scroll, someone else is building. While you watch, someone else is learning. While you relax, someone else is earning. That's the harsh reality. The internet gives equal access, but not equal results, because results depend on usage. And most people use it the wrong way. They chase entertainment. They avoid discomfort. They delay action. And slowly, they fall behind. Not because they are incapable, but because they are unaware. Unaware of what's possible. Unaware of what they're wasting. Unaware of the opportunity right in front of them, because the internet can do two things. Can distract you, or it can build you, but it cannot do both at the same time. And the choice is always yours. That's the difference. Not intelligence, not background, just decisions. Small daily decisions that compound over time and create completely different outcomes. That's why some people grow and others stay stuck. Same internet, different mindset. So here's the truth. The internet is not just a tool. It's a multiplier. Whatever you do with it, it amplifies. If you waste time, it wastes your potential. If you build something, it builds your future. That's the reality. And it's happening right now. Every single day, people are choosing, consciously or unconsciously. Some choose comfort, scrolling, watching, consuming. Others choose growth, creating, learning, building. And over time, that choice changes everything. Because the gap doesn't appear overnight. It grows slowly, day by day, action by action, until one day, the difference is massive. One person is stuck. The other is free. Financially, mentally, completely different lives. Built on small decisions. Made daily. That's the power of the internet.